Are you ready to learn, explore, discover, and have fun while watching? Come and join us as we bring you more learnings and ideas to share. I'm Teacher Calai, and welcome to my channel. Hi! So for today's lesson, we are going to discuss about the types, the purposes, the key structures, and of course the language features of informational text. When we say informational or factual text, this is a nonfiction or factual writing. It also provides significant information or details about a particular person, place, thing, event, issue, and the like. It also assists the readers in giving information quickly and efficiently. So now let's put things into details about the topic. More specifically about the types, the purposes, the key structure, and of course the language features. So let's begin with the first type, which is the description. Its purposes are to simply describe something and present plenty of details about what the writer is describing. It also explains its features and characteristics by giving some examples. For us to know if it is a description type of informational text, let us consider the following questions as our key structures. First, what specific topic, person, idea, or thing is being described? Second, how is it described? Or how does it look like? How does it work? Or what does it do? And so on. And the last one is, why is it important to remember about it? Aside from key structures, we should also know the language features that usually description type of informational text used, and these are the following. For instance, such as an example, to illustrate, and the characteristics. Now let me read to you this example. On one corner of my dresser sits a smiling toy clown on a tiny unicycle, a gift I received last Christmas from a close friend. The clown's short yellow hair made of yarn covers its ears but is parted above the eyes. The blue eyes are outlined in black with thin, dark lashes flowing from the brows. It has cherry red cheeks, nose, and lips, and its broad grin disappears into the wide white ruffle around its neck. The clown wears a fluffy two-tone nylon costume. The left side of the outfit is light blue, and the right side is red. The two colors merge in a dark line that runs down the center of the small outfit. Surrounding its ankles and disguising its long black shoes are big pink bows. The white spokes on the wheels of the unicycle cover in the center and expand to the black tire so that the wheel somewhat resembles in the inner half of a grapefruit. The clown and unicycle together stand about a foot high. As a cherished gift from my good friend Tran, this color figure greets me with a smile every time I enter my room. Description text can also be presented through the use of graphic organizer. This is the easier, the shorter, and the clearer way of presenting the topic, just like this one. It is about the African elephants, and it tells us that they can eat 300 pounds of food in a day. They also eat fruits, leaves, grasses, and barks. They can weigh up to 12,000 pounds and stand 12 feet tall. They have the longest pregnancy, and they can live up to 70 years old. See? It's short but precise. The second type is cause and effect, and the purposes are: first, to tell us what happened and why it happened. Second, a writer explains the result of an action. He or she is explaining the effect of a cause. Remember, results are effects, and the things that occur are the causes. Lastly, the cause and effect text structure is generally used in expository and persuasive writing modes. To be able for us to recognize this type of informational text, the following key structures give us signs about the content of the text. First, what happened? Second, why did it happen? And third, what caused it to happen? After knowing the key structures, now let us see the signal words or language features that usually used in this type. We have so, because, since, therefore, if and then, this or these led to, reason why, as a result, may be due to, effect of, consequently, and for this reason. Example: students are not allowed to chew gum in my class. While some students think that I am just being mean, there are many good reasons for this rule. First, some irresponsible students make messes with their gum. They may leave it on the bottoms of desks, drop it on the floor, or put it on other people's property. Another reason why I don't allow students to chew gum is because it is a distraction. When they are allowed to chew gum, students are more worried about having it, popping it, chewing it, and snapping it than they are listening, writing, reading, and learning. This is why I don't allow students to chew gum in my class. Cause and effect text can also be presented through graphic organizer, just like this one. Gum makes messes in the classroom and also the cause of distraction. And these are the reasons why students are not allowed to chew gum. The third one is to compare and contrast, and the following are the purposes. First one is, it shows or presents how two or more things are alike and or different. Second, it is important to remember that with the compare and contrast text structure, the text should be discussing similarities and differences. Lastly, if the text only discusses similarities, then it is only comparing. Likewise, if it only discusses ways that the things are different, then it is just contrasting. The key structures for compare and contrast are the following. First, what items or things are being compared? Second, in what ways are they alike? And last one, in what ways are they different? Now let us see the signal words or the language features used for compare and contrast. And these are the following. We have same as, similar, alike, as well as, not only and but also, both, instead of, either or, on the other hand, different from, and as opposed to. Example: apples and oranges are both fruits, which means that they have seeds inside of them. Each has a skin, but orange skins are thick and easy to peel. Apple skins are thinner and do not peel easily. Oranges also contain more acid than apples, but both fruits are delicious. Compare and contrast can be presented through graphic organizer, which is called Venn diagram. Using the given example, we can also present it this way. On the left half side of the first circle is the difference of apples to oranges. Then on the right half side of the second circle is the difference of oranges to apple. The overlapping part of the circles are the similarities of the two. The fourth type of informational text is problem and solution. This simply tells us about the problem and the possible solution to the topic. The key structures for problem and solution are the following. First, what is the problem? Second, why is this a problem? Third, is anything being done to try to solve the problem? And last, what can be done to solve the problem? And here are the signal words or language features used for problem and solution. We have question is, dilemma is, the puzzle is, to solve this, one answer is, and one reason for the problem is. If you think the cause and effect and the problem and solution are the same, then don't be confused because they are not. In cause and effect does not propose solution to any negative occurrences, but rather just explains why or how things happen. Unlike in the problem and solution text, concerns issue and also gives remedy to the issue. Example: it seems like there has been a surge in teen pregnancies these days. Teen pregnancies make it very difficult for young mothers to pursue their dreams and meet the demands of an infant. Fortunately, most teen pregnancies can be easily prevented by using birth control. However, even birth control is not 100% effective. The most effective way to prevent teen pregnancies is abstinence, which is 100% effective. Problem and solution can also be presented through graphic organizer. In the given example, we can present it this way. The two solutions for teen pregnancies are birth control and abstinence. And the last part of informational text is sequence. The purposes are the following. First, it describes or presents statements, events, or items in order and enumerates procedures or steps in doing something. And the last one is, this method of organizing text is generally used for instructions or directions, but it can also be used to explain processes. The key structures for sequence are, first, what statements, items, or events or steps are listed? Second, do they happen in this order? And last, do they always happen in this order? Now here are the signal words or language features used in sequence. And these are first, second, next, then, before, after, finally, following, not long after, now, and soon. Now let's see this example. How to make cookies. First, get your materials. Then, make your dough. Lastly, cook your dough at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. In presenting the given example using graphic organizer, then it could be like this. Again, these are the different types of informational text. First, description. Second, cause and effect. Third, compare and contrast. Fourth, problem and solution. And last is sequence. And that ends our discussion for this topic. I'm Teacher Calai. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more updated videos and learnings on my channel.